Hey tech enthusiasts, today we're diving into some exciting rumors about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With the recent release of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, it's time to shift our focus to Samsung's next flagship series. Get ready for some intriguing details on the Galaxy S25 Ultra's new design, features, and more. First up, let's talk about the design. According to well-known tipster at Universe Ice, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to feature an asymmetrical frame design. What does this mean? Well, the back of the phone will be more rounded while the front will remain straighter where the screen is. This subtle change is aimed at making the phone more comfortable to hold. Plus, the middle frame and bezels have been narrowed, bringing the width down to 70.6 mm, similar to the Galaxy S24. Talk about sleek and ergonomic. With the Galaxy S25 series expected to launch in January 2025, it's fascinating to see how the design is shaping up. The standard, plus, and ultra models all seem to be finalized. But what's inside the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Although we haven't heard much yet, there are whispers of significant camera upgrades for the Ultra model. Imagine capturing stunning photos with upgraded rear cameras. We've also seen some unofficial renders of the Galaxy S25 Ultra's front. While they don't reveal too much, it's clear that the front will look quite similar to the current model, but that's not all. The new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor is expected to power this beast, promising top-notch performance. But before we get too excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, let's not forget what's coming from Google. Mark your calendars for August 13th, when Google will unveil its 2024 flagship phones, the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro. It's going to be an exciting few months for Android fans. That's all for today's sneak peek into the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With its ergonomic design, camera upgrades, and powerful processor, it's definitely a phone to watch out for. What are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy. Peace out.